Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can hide lock screen notifications on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So the first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In the settings you want to scroll down and go to notifications. In notifications you want to go to lock screen notifications over here, and here you can decide if you want to fully use notifications or not, so you can press on and off in order to completely turn them on or off. And you can also show the content for specific apps. You can tap on this gear on the right side in order to choose which apps can show content in the lock screen. And in addition to that, we can also just hide content, and we can show content when unlocked. So if your phone is set to stay on the lock screen when you unlock using facial recognition, then notification content will appear when your face is recognized. And in addition to that, we can also go to notifications to show over here, and here we can choose alert and silent notifications or alert notifications only, so those silent notifications will not be displayed in the lock screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.